Hey everybody, this is a quick tutorial on how to log into Tinkercad. Now we've used Tinkercad before, but they made some changes and so we've adapted. I know that we lost projects with difficulties and confusions with logging in, much simpler now. So if you go to tinkercad.com and then you go into sign in, you click on sign in and you're going to want to sign in with a social provider. So you're going to click on sign in with Google. Once you get into your sign in with Google, if you haven't already done it, it will create the account for you. Um, but if you haven't already, then you're in. Once you're in, you click on the upper right-hand corner. There's kind of a shadow, or maybe you've already put something there to represent your avatar. Click on that. Go to Profile. Click on Profile, and then you're going to enter the invitation code. Now, the invitation code doesn't last very long, unfortunately. So you're going to put in the code that we give you. If you need a new one, if it expires, just let us know, and Mr. Knight or myself will give you the new code. Now, if you're in period 1, we want you to add both Mr. Knight and myself, since we're both grading and overseeing that class. It'll make it a lot easier. So we'll put the code into Schoology. We'll put it onto the we'll probably just put it in Schoology. There'll be some other directions, but that way you guys can get it. This next time, this